Hey Wildflower, welcome to my room tour. No, I'm kidding, this is not my room. I'm getting ready to go on stage. Where are we?
Chatsworth.
We're in Chatsworth, and Chatsworth is the it's a popular place. And it kind of gives me Boogie Nights vibes, and I love that movie. Here we are today with some of my stuff in Chatsworth. This is a genie outfit I wore on tour. This is a top that my friend Eddie made. Actually, Eddie made all this stuff. He's an awesome designer. For this like Barbie series I've been doing, which is basically just me recreating like the old Barbie movies because I love the old Barbie movies, and just doing like a live action version of it. But yeah, it's just taken me a while to edit it. These are some other genie pants that I wore when I was on tour with my sister like about a month ago. We did like a European tour and it was really fun. I wore this at our London show, which was lit. We were supposed to go to India right after the London show, and we like brought our camera crew to go to India right after, and everyone had like gotten their shots and everything. But then we didn't end up going to India because none of the costumes arrived on time. They're all here with us. So now I'm back in LA. And I'm really excited to be shooting today for Wildflower. This is my favorite case. I love it. It reminds me of, what's that elephant with the big ears? Dumbo. It reminds me of Dumbo. It makes me want to rewatch the movie Dumbo. The name Olivia True Connection comes from Andrea True Connection. No, I'm kidding. She just has the same name as me. Last summer when I was on tour with my sister Remy, it was like after one of our shows, and we were kind of just like coming up with like what would be an awesome stage names for me and then our dancer Katya. And Remy was like, Moments of Katya would be the most incredible name in the world, which it kind of is, like Moments of Katya with like smoke coming out and everything like that. And then we got to me and we were like, oh, Olivia True Connection and Moments of Katya. Moments of Katya has yet to come to life, but you should do that. And I'm Olivia True Connection. Let's see what else we have here. This is half of a genie lamp. This is my vape lamp. So basically on tour, I would just like hit the vape into it. There used to be a top. It's not in a good place, but I'd like put the top on and then the vape smoke would like come out of here. And then we also had a massive genie lamp, which is over yonder. I will tell you a bit about why I love being a genie and what a genie means to me. Because it's not just because I love what a genie looks like, which I do. When I was in Paris working with this guy on some songs, he was telling me about like my moon and sun and stuff like that, and I've never been into that because I'm a Capricorn and a bunch of other grounding signs, and I always thought it was boring because my dream sign's like an Aquarius or something like that. He was like, well, you're a moon on the outside and a sun on the inside, so like you can kind of create like, I don't know, you can kind of get like trapped inside yourself, but like you have it all inside of you and you just have to like let it out. And I enjoy helping people, like not granting wishes because that's a bit like stupid to be like, I grant wishes, but I really enjoy like directing videos because I get to like bring people's visions to life and like put ideas that I have into the videos, which I guess is like genie-esque. That's what genie means to me. And here we have my big genie lamp. This one's also kind of broken. I was bringing it through TSA in London, and they checked it for like 30 minutes because they thought there was like a bomb inside of here, which makes a lot of sense because it looks like, I don't know, it looks like there would be a bomb inside of here, but it's all foam. And yeah.
Can you tell us a crazy story from your tour?
Yes. We'll come back to that. My favorite place that I've ever been, I really love Amsterdam, and I loved Japan. We went to Japan on a music video called Skin Tight Jeans for my sister Remy, and we went with our friends Mazzy and Charlotte, and we didn't really know them very well before we went, and we got to know each other in Japan, and it was really awesome and beautiful. And we filmed on this swan boat. I really want to go to India. If you couldn't tell, Mexico City I've been wanting to go to for a long time. Some other places in Asia, like Nepal. Yeah. Some of my tour essentials that I can't live without: spirulactone, fake tan. Honestly, I can live without most things. Like Omid can tell you that whenever Remy and I are on tour, we just kind of throw all the costumes in like a bottom bunk and use everybody else's face washes and stuff like that. Oh, Nutella biscuits. Nutella biscuits. Yeah. Advice I would have for my younger self would be to trust myself more. I feel like I've always kind of been very hard on myself and not really like believed myself for things. And like even with like directing videos or like ideas that I've had, sometimes I'll be like, no, that's like not a great idea, or I don't know, just to be kinder to yourself and don't care as much what people think. I feel like I used to care a lot in high school what people thought, or like how I was perceived. I would think about that a lot more. And I think just as I've gotten older, I've stopped thinking that way, which has really helped me do what I actually want to do.
Want it kind of just like by your face, and then maybe even like hold the phone to your face like that.
Really cool.
Yeah, love. Should we do another outfit?
Yeah.
Like maybe should we just do a Yelp?
What's the blue stripes? Oh, these you asked? These are my psych ward pajamas. Wait, I can't believe there actually was something back here. Let's go. Okay. I hope my phone's not in there.
Yeah.
Hey, Wildflower. Welcome to the garden. We're at my grandparents' house. No, we're not. I grew up on this swing. Those are the roosters. These are some beautiful flowers. I think this is my second favorite phone case. My favorite is the elephants, and then this one is great for just like a girls next door time. We're going to see the horses. When I drove by the horses, I thought that they'd be really good candidates for Barbie Pegasus. We're gonna go see if these horses or these little ponies would be a good fit. But yeah, Barbie Pegasus is probably my second or third favorite Barbie movie, and I've been dying to remake it. Oma, do you have any questions?
What hair color are you gonna do next?
Me? Oh, the next hair color I'm gonna do, well, I was supposed to go minty boy, like you, but you did it first.
It's a bit gone now, but
It is a bit gone. Yeah, okay, but we have to do it together.
we could do it together.
We can only have the same color hair all the time, except
Sure.
right now.
Except right now.
Omid, I have a question for you. What was your favorite part of tour? Or a story you have from tour?
Oh.
Because I didn't answer that question.
Yes. So tour was a lovely time. In case viewers aren't aware, Olivia opened for her sister Remy on this past tour. And I had the lovely privilege of joining them, and it was so fun. My favorite memory is probably we were in, where were we? We were in, I think it was Birmingham. I don't remember where we were actually, but we drove from wherever we were. We had an off day, and we drove like 2 hours away to this lovely chateau.
I found this place.
Olivia found it for Remy's birthday, and it was this crazy cabin escape. And it was kind of something out of Saltburn. And there was a spa there that was very insane, like one of the craziest hotel spas I've ever seen ever. And it had a snow room, and we all like sat in the snow room until the spa was closed for about 30 minutes, and the spa employee found us in the snow room and told us we had to exit.
Yeah.
And we celebrated Remy's birthday that night, and we got chicken.
Chicken.
With a candle on it, because they didn't have
Chicken with the
cake.
candle on top of it. Wait, I didn't even remember that.
Yeah.
I don't remember most of tour, to be honest.
It's a blur.
Yeah, Remy and I were kind of just like fighting for a lot of it.
No.
No. We weren't actually fighting. We were just like,
Sisters.
yeah. Yeah, like how sisters fight. Have any of you guys seen Wild Thornberry, the movie? I fucking love that movie. It's so weird. Hey, Raspberry. Wait, are these even horses? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's donkey. It's a pony.
Wait, have you seen
Donkey. Oh, wait, I need my phone, of course, to document this moment. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I love you, Wildflower.